How to invert camera on Omegle iPhone. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to invert camera on Omegle iPhone. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then go to omegle.com. Once you're here, make sure you understand age restrictions and the other checkbox, then confirm and continue. In here, allow omegle.com to use your camera. As you can see on the upper right, my video is already clear. On the upper left this time, click on the video button. Once you are here, click on the video button once again. Once you're here, you will see that there is a reader option. Now you're going to copy the website. And then in here, tap once again to Omegle to continue. Check the boxes again, click on confirm and continue, and click on allow. There should be options on how to do this. You could just auto-rotate your iPhone. That would be a lot easier. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel, and while you're at it, leave a comment as well. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.